This is the swearing-in ceremony for the Chair, County Public Service Board, Kisii County. The oath of office will now be administered.
I, Maosa of ID number 410-872, do swear that I shall always thoroughly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Chair, County Public Service Board of the County Government of Kisii. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment. That I shall all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give counsel and advice to the County Government of Kisii. That I shall respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Kenya. That I shall do right to all in accordance with the Constitution as per law established and the laws of Kenya, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Sasa anapotia saini rasmi kwa barua yake officially kama mwenyekiti wa County Public Service, Wambuna, hiyo wimba hakuna inapoendelea napofanya hiyo kazi. Ndio mmoja wagete. Kama nataka ujenga asia. Kama nataka ujenga asia. Secrecy ndio tuweze kupatia tena. Sawa Mbuna, naona wageni wanasili kuingia.
I, Maosa of ID number 4410872, do solemnly swear that my attention has been drawn to the provision of the Official Secrets Act 1968, and I am fully aware of the serious consequences which may follow any breach of the provisions. I understand that the section of the Official Secrets Act attached to this document cover material published in a speech, lecture, or radio, or television broadcast, or in the press, or in a book. From I am aware that I should not divulge any information gained by me as a result of my appointment to any unauthorized person, either orally or in writing, without the previous official sanction in writing of my appointing authority, to which written application should be made and the 2 copies of the proposed publication be forwarded. I understand also that I am liable to be prosecuted if I publish without official sanction any information I may acquire in the course of my tenure of an official appointment, unless it has already officially been made public, or retained without official sanction any sketch, plan, model, article, note, or official documents which are no longer needed for my official duties, and that these provisions apply not only during the period of my appointment, but also after appointment has ceased.
Asante, makofi tafadhali. Anapo naona Keroka wana smile kweli kweli. kiongozi ambao kwa nasubiri sasa amefika. Sijui Mheshimiwa Secretary, tafadhali unaona kuna kiti yako pale? Tafadhali mtakana pale, wanakuhitaji pale wale. Asante chief kwa nini aichia chibono wae. Ebodi yetu ya wano ekolea kabisa. Asante sana. Wano chairman Public Service Board yana ne document ye yose nomonglo bugwate la moinaria ochedwanze ebicha kwanza. Ebicha ntangani ne yao deputy governor na lola kuapisha. Your Excellency hapa sasa